And good morning, and thank you so much for joining me. I am your host, Eric, on Eric's Weather Forecast. Good morning, everybody. I am very excited this morning because today is actually my birthday. So, um, I just wanted to let y'all know that. So, I am really excited about that. Um, Give me a moment. And we're going to begin in just 1 second here. I'm just making sure that everything is ready to go, and then we're going to go ahead and talk about what we will be expecting in our forecast, and do not be surprised if I switch. Let's go ahead and talk about what we have going on here. So then for our forecast of what we'll be expecting, it's going to be a light wintry mix that will be expected in southeast Michigan. So for today, for the most part, I want to go over this. So our high temperatures across southeast Michigan in Saginaw, 39 degrees, Flint, 40 degrees, Howell, 38 degrees, Ann Arbor, 37, Adrian, 37 degrees, Monroe, 36, Detroit, 37, Pontiac, 37, Port Huron, 36, Sandusky, 35, and Bad Axe, uh, 34 degrees. And we'll have a couple of forecasts today as well, and I'll tell you how it's all going to work out. So for a review of what we will be expecting and what is on the way is our wintry mix that will develop late on Monday night into our Tuesday morning. So when we get to Tuesday morning, the weather conditions are going to be somewhat slippery, so just be prepared for some very, very tricky weather conditions. So this is what the plans are for this weather event. A mix of snow and freezing rain will be the primary precipitation types. Some sleet possible at times as well. The event ends as rain and drizzle mid to late Tuesday morning, but do expect that there will be snow accumulations under an inch, ice accumulation a trace up to a few tenths of an inch, and then hazardous and slick conditions at times. And then mainly for all of our viewing area, we'll be expecting about an inch of snow. We're not really expected to see a lot of snow with this. We'll kind of keep an eye on it, and I will let you know, but for the most part, it shouldn't really be all that bad. So I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on that of what we'll be expecting as we go into time. So for the most part, after that, I'm going to actually, let me check something to see if there's some good news after that. Give me one moment. I'm going to look really quick to see if we've got any good news after that. Let me look really quick. And then I'll have another live stream coming up in a little bit, and then we'll show you the rest of the weather forecast and everything else. But I wanted to make sure that you guys got these headlines first. But I'm going to see what happens after we're done with this wintry pattern. Trying to get to something here. One moment. Alright, one moment. I'm just checking. Okay, one of the things I am going to talk about really quick is that we are going to be dealing with that wintry mix. I know that for sure. But the other thing I was going to tell you is that we're actually going to have temperatures going back and forth, back and forth. So we're actually going to be struggling with temperatures just a little bit. But like I said, we will slowly get up there. So I would say by the time we get into next week on Monday, We're actually looking at temperatures actually going into the mid 60s. So for the next couple of days this week, temperatures are going to be kind of bouncing around a little bit. But once that we get into Monday, it looks like we're going to be seeing 61 for a high temperature. So we've got 60-degree temperatures on the way. So just look forward to that, because that is going to be in store. So I'll have to let you know how long that's going to last. But like I said, spring is starting to happen. It's just a really slow process this year. We are getting a lot of sunshine, and I can tell you that that the weather is going to be a little unsettled this week, but we are going to keep that sunshine in the forecast for sure. But tomorrow's weather conditions are going to be kind of sloppy, a little icy and slick, with the snow and the rain and sleet and that. And then after that, we will talk about the rest of the forecast, and we'll see if there's going to be any improvements coming up this week. I certainly hope so. Kind of stay tuned for the very latest throughout the day today. I'll have more forecasts coming up in a little bit. So please come back and join me in just a little bit. I'm trying to see what time it is. It's actually 10:30 right now. I'll stay on until like around 11 o'clock. And I'm going to see if I can do something. I'm going to see if I can take that off and put the other thing on. Give me a second. I'm going to see if we can do something here. Give me one moment. I'm going to figure out something. I just have to figure out. One moment. I'm going to try and do something. Just 1 second. What I'm going to do. Give me one moment. I'm going to do something. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. 1 second. I have to change something around. One moment. I am going to change the screen is what I want to do. One moment. Hold on. Let's see here. Hold on a moment. One moment. I have to fix this problem. What is going on? Okay, there we go. 1 second. I gotta fix this. Oh no. Hold on. Ta-da! Okay. Well, that was fun. Okay, first time I've done that while I've been on a live stream just trying to figure out what's on the map here. So I guess we can talk about that right now. As a matter of fact, let me just go ahead and switch things around here. Okay, there we go. So let's go ahead and talk about what we have. We do have the snow coming, and you can see right on there that we've got the snow, we've got the freezing rain. We pretty much have a mixture of stuff going on, and this is actually telling me the total amount of snowfall that's going to be expected across the Midwest. So it's not really all that bad or anything like that. It's just giving us a total amount of snowfall. So that would be really cool to see how much snow. But we won't be expecting a lot of snow with this anyway. So generally, us in Southeast Michigan will be getting about, excuse me, about an inch of snow is what we'll be expecting across our area, so that won't really be entirely all that bad. And then we'll have to see what our 10-day forecast looks like. And we'll find out how soon those 60 degree temperatures are going to be coming along. But I know that's going to be headed into our forecast. Let me just look over something. So our warm up as far as 60 degree temperatures, that will happen next week on Monday, so get ready for it. We just have to hold on there. I know the temperatures have been kind of like a roller coaster ride where it's been going back and forth, back and forth. Then we've had that really, really cold, frigid night yesterday. It was very, very cold actually last night. I really had to bundle up for sure. I left my winter jacket on and pretty much bundled up because it was really, really cold yesterday. So I am going to check to see. So it's not going to be really all that cold like it was yesterday, but we'll check to see how bad the lows are going to be for our forecast. So overall, we will definitely get up there, I promise you, with the 60 degree temperatures, but that's going to be next week. Starting on Monday is when we're going to really start to warm up again, but this time we're going all the way up into the 60s. Hooray! I'm really excited. I can't wait. Very, very excited about that as well. So anyway, I am excited. I just want to tell you I am excited today because today's my birthday, and I wanted to do a live stream and do a forecast today and tell you guys everything that's been going on. On top of everything else, we've been dealing with not just the wintry weather. We were actually dealing with severe weather way down in the south in Oklahoma, Texas area, where they had a lot of severe weather outbreaks going on. We'll actually check that out in just a little bit and see if there's going to be any more action. I do believe that might be in the mix here. Actually, as a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and pop that up right now while I'm thinking about it. Since that I just thought about that potential right there, I'm going to actually put that in on the radar here so we can see exactly where the severe weather is going to be expected, because I believe that is going to be on the horizon again. So now we have to wait and see where that is going to take place and take action here. So we're going to find out in a minute, and we're going to find out. Now this time it's going to be a little bit more explosive, and this is going to be watched very closely indefinitely. So I'm just checking to see where it's at. I can't really see it very well, but at least it's giving me an idea. Oh, okay, I see where it is. Okay, so let's talk about it. I'm going to make this map a little bit bigger here if you guys don't mind. I'm going to do this for just a minute. Well, let me see, how can we do this? I got to bring this down a little bit. Hold on. There. Okay, another thing I got to do, I have to, one moment. Got to do one other thing here. Okay, there we go. That's better. Okay, so what we're going to be dealing with, we still have the snow that we're going to be dealing with across the Midwest. So the Great Lakes, Southeast Michigan, a wintry mix is going to be on the way for you as well. So if you live in Michigan, just be ready for that. That's going to be expected into our Monday evening, so things are going to get quite slick in the morning on Tuesday, so please be careful. I will be on top of this and pretty much I will be with you guys off and on throughout the day today, so kind of stay tuned for that. As far as severe weather goes, we'll go back and we'll have a look at that. Uh, as you can see, we'll go ahead and oh man, I'm sorry. Okay, so the severe weather is actually going to be developing right along in this area. I have the day one outlook displayed right here. So pretty much for the most part, the whole section that you can see right here, there's going to be a marginal risk of severe weather. So if you live in Kansas City, you guys might have a chance of seeing some marginal, isolated, severe storms. So all the section that you can actually see, it's in orange. So in the orange area where you can see it highlighted right there, we'll have the chance of seeing some marginal, isolated, severe storms today.